I guess.
Yeah, and look, I think that the starting premise around this is that consumers need quality advice and they need access to quality advice, and they also need to be, the advisor needs to be remunerated for that advice. And so exactly what Phil's saying is, you know, I fully support it. I think that the key is about choice. So the advisor, it's know your client, and I think that's the starting point for me, is that when you engage with the client and you're going through the process of fact-finding and preparing advice, it's understanding that client's situation, their affordability, their circumstances. And the great thing that came out of round 2 of the FSC proposed standard was that it didn't remove the ability to earn upfront commission. The whole debate about whether 3-year responsibility period is right or wrong, that's still up for debate. But my view is that first and foremost, we have to have a sustainable industry. That's what we're here for. But there are all the parties in the industry that must be taken into consideration in formulating a view. It's the life companies need to maintain sustainable pricing. The advisor needs to be remunerated for the advice. The AFSL needs to make a buck along the way so that they can actually provide all of the compliance regime that's required now within our industry. So, and then, you know, ultimately the consumer getting the most appropriate advice for their needs. And I think that if you come from that perspective, then I think we can all come out of this with a win-win for the industry, the advisor, the customer, and of course the AFSL.